Welcome back to CoCo Finance, the channel that turns the complex world of finance into a sparkling adventure. Today, we're diving deep into the glittering universe of diamonds and jewelry. So grab your magnifying glass, and let's embark on a journey that's as brilliant as a perfectly cut diamond. Diamonds, often referred to as a girl's best friend, are more than just sparkling adornments. They are timeless assets, symbols of luxury, and a unique investment opportunity. Unlike stocks and bonds, diamonds don't fluctuate with market whims. They're the rock stars of stability, quite literally. Investing in diamonds is like embarking on a treasure hunt. You'll need to understand the 4 C's: carat, cut, clarity, and color. But there's more to the diamond story. From rare-colored diamonds to investment-grade stones, the world of diamonds is as multifaceted as the gems themselves. It's a market that requires precision, knowledge, and a flair for the extraordinary. Jewelry, on the other hand, is where art meets investment. From vintage pieces to contemporary designs, jewelry is a wearable asset that transcends time. The world of jewelry is a treasure trove of creativity and craftsmanship. From renowned brands to emerging designers, investing in jewelry is about appreciating art, history, and culture. But why invest in diamonds and jewelry? Well, they're not just shiny objects, they're tangible assets that hold intrinsic value. They don't rust, they don't decay, and they certainly don't go out of style. It's like investing in beauty itself. The global jewelry market is a kaleidoscope of opportunities. From gold to platinum, rubies to sapphires, the choices are as diverse as the colors of a rainbow. And the best part? You can wear your investments to a dinner party. Now, let's talk strategy. Investing in diamonds and jewelry requires a keen eye, a discerning taste, and a touch of patience. It's not about buying the shiniest stone, it's about understanding quality, rarity, and demand. Remember, dear adventurers, not all that glitters is gold. Research, authentication, and expert advice are your trusty tools in this glittering quest. Seek reputable dealers, attend auctions, and immerse yourself in the world of gems and jewels. Dubai, New York, Antwerp, the world's jewelry hubs are waiting for you to explore. It's a global adventure, a sparkling safari, and you're the intrepid explorer. And let's not forget the emotional connection. Diamonds and jewelry are often associated with love, celebration, and milestones. Investing in them is like investing in the timeless emotions of humanity. They are heirlooms, passed down through generations, preserving stories and memories. So, if you're ready to add a sparkle to your investment portfolio, give diamonds and jewelry a closer look. It's a world of elegance, luxury, and financial wisdom, all wrapped in shimmering beauty. If this gem of an episode caught your eye, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Share your thoughts, questions, or sparkling experiences in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on CoCo Finance, where your wealth shines as bright as a diamond, and your success is our most cherished jewel. Until next time, keep exploring, keep investing, and keep sparkling.